Friends, look at this interactive financial model made by AI with just one prompt. What if I told you it's now very easy to build dynamic, interactive financial models like this, which you can share with companies or businesses? Picture this, with a single prompt, you create a complete 2-year or 3-year scenario planner, live graphs, and tweak every number. Stick around because by the end, you will discover the 3 practical ways to unleash AI to build and run financial models, automate the tedious tasks, and look like a hero in your team. Hey everyone, I'm Nitin and you are watching the AI University. Let's dive straight into use case number 1, building a dynamic financial model directly inside Claude, which looks like a web interface that I showed you earlier like this. So here is my prompt. And I'm mentioning that you are a 15-year experienced finance manager of company which offers 3 subscription plans. The starter plan at $49 per month with currently 10,000 subscribers with a growth of 6% per month and churn at 1%. And then I have pro and enterprise plans likewise. I mean the details mentioned for the other 2 plans, which is this pro plan. And then I have another enterprise plan. So I'm actually asking it to provide or create a financial models around 3 plans. And then I'm saying that please take necessary adjustable assumptions to build a financial model for the next 3 years containing necessary dynamic formulas and dynamic assumptions as well as graphs and charts in a web dashboard. So crucially, I run this on Claude Opus 4.5. which is vital for complex multi-step tasks like these, although it has several other models available here. So click on submit and now watch what happens. So it has started taking our input prompt it's a single prompt that I have given here, and now it is processing or creating a web dashboard based on that. Now this dashboard that it is going to create, I have asked it specifically create the dynamic assumptions and dynamic formulas, meaning if you want you can adjust these numbers here, okay, like subscriber count or monthly growth rate, monthly price, and you can see how you are getting the numbers adjusted in the overview section. So you see the current MRR or the monthly run rate is 770k based on the numbers that I tweaked here for the starter plan. Let us say, and you can see that the current annual run rate is $9.25 million. And here are the 9.3k subscribers. Now let me change the numbers a little bit here. So if I increase the subscriber count here, monthly price, let us say if I adjust to $90 instead of $99, and growth rate I increase to 6%. So you will see the number got changed or increased to 905k as a monthly run rate and annual run rate as $10.87 million, and you can see the subscriber count also got increased. For the next 3 years, this will be the monthly run rate. For the next 3 years, the yearly run rate is going to be this, and this is going to be my subscriber count. So you can just tweak around these numbers here and you will see this financial numbers adjusted and the graphs adjusted accordingly. Okay, you will also see the projections like quarterly revenue, net income adjusted accordingly as well, and then the monthly projections as well. Right, and then at the end you can see a tab it has created for analysis, like what will be the monthly run rate CAGR, how much going to be the month revenue multiple, and the corresponding yearly year 1, year 2, year 3 numbers as well as the corresponding graphs. Now let's see if it has created our financial model based on the prompt that we have given. Now you can see that it has created a very beautiful dashboard here, similar to the one that I showed you earlier, right? It has created an overview section where you can see the total ARR, subscribers, monthly run rate, corresponding graphs, and then the subscriber count. It has shown the subscriber growth by plan, right? On a yearly or monthly basis, in fact, right? You can see that it has also mentioned the 3-year financial summary here, right? Now if you want to see the revenue, how your revenue going to be, it has created those revenue numbers as well. Profitability, revenue versus EBITDA, margin trends, cost structure. And here are the assumptions which you can play around, just like I showed you earlier, right? You can just, let us say if in case you want to decrease the pricing of a pro plan to $39, sorry, starter plan to $39, and pro plan you want to increase it by $10, enterprise plan you want to increase by another $25, you will see the number gets adjusted here. Now the total ARR is 72, which is way bigger than the earlier one, right? So you can just play around with these numbers here that it has. So these are the dynamic adjustable parameters that you can tweak around to see how your financial model will show the different numbers on a yearly and monthly basis. Now if you want to share this model with with your team or any customer, then you can just click on publish artifact, click on publish and copy link. You can just copy this link. You can share this link with anyone, and they will be able to see this dashboard right in the browser. So you can see that it has created a beautiful dashboard. All right, let's move on to the use case number 2. So the use case number 2 is exporting this particular financial model to Excel. This is because some of you might need this particular financial model in Excel, because there are a lot of people who are kind of comfortable with Excel, so they need all this financial model in terms of working formulas in an Excel, not just static numbers. So here is what you need to do. All you need to do is just copy paste the same prompt, and instead of web dashboard, just mention build this model in an Excel with formulas and other supporting assumptions in terms of formulas only. Now before doing this, you need to make sure that your code execution and file creations are enabled in your settings. So click on your profile icon, go to the settings page, click on capabilities, scroll down, and this particular option, which is code execution and file creation, should be enabled here. This is because Claude uses Python in the background to generate your Excel workbook as well as any related formulas or code. So now click on submit. Alright, so as you can see on the right hand side, it has created a fully formatted editable Excel file. So as you can see that it has created a complete SaaS financial model, right, with dynamic assumptions here, which you can play around with. You can tweak these numbers, and on the bottom you can see that it has several tabs. Another one is monthly projections, the 36 month financial projections, based on the subscriber pricing, revenue metrics, cost structure, so on and so forth. Then we have annual summary as well for the 3 years annual summary plan that we asked for. It has shown every profitability. It has the subscriber metric, revenue metrics, profitability metrics, which it has created on its own, right? Then it has also done the sensitivity analysis, right, on its own. And then there are instructions as well on how to make these adjustments in the Excel sheet. If you see on the right hand side, there are certain graphs, associated graphs as well it has created, right? Year 3 revenue mix, right? So on and so forth. And it's all dynamic. All these formulas are wired together. In fact, the charts are also wired together, and even you can, if you want, you can download this using this download button as well. And speaking of streamlining your work, if you are a social media influencer or marketer or business owner or agency owner, and you want to build professional commercial advertisements using AI in just matter of minutes, then check out this platform known as AdBlades AI, an AI powered ad generator that transforms your product images into professional high impact video commercials in just few minutes. You don't need a video team or editing skills. Platforms like Google Ads, Meta, TikTok and YouTube are all just a click away. Link is provided in the description section. So this is it for today's video, friends. Hit like if this video showed you something new or helped you save time. Each click helps the channel keep sharing the latest AI breakthroughs for finance professionals. Subscribe and check the links below for community and tools recommendations.